Hello everybody, this is a Lamley Hot Wheels Kmart 36 count case unboxing. This is part 1. We have a two-parter for you tonight. If you're watching it tonight, I have 2 cases. Both of them $9.99 ABD. You don't know what Kmart's going to send you when you order. They sent both the same code. That doesn't mean it's the same models. We are going to find out in a 2-part video. Number 1 will be this case. Obviously, part 2 will be that other case, plus a showcase of the mail-in model and of the Kmart exclusive. So part 2 will be a little bit longer than part 1, premiering in just a couple of hours if you are watching the premiere of this one right now. If not, put them all together because this will be out for a while. The Kmart Days is this Saturday. What is that? December 15th, I believe, at a local Kmart near you. I don't have one, so I ordered the cases online. There's a link down below. They might still be available. This is a delayed event. It was supposed to be in November, so these are going to be B case models. So the first to market have already been seen in the C case. This was delayed. I don't know why, but it was. So, yeah, whatever the reasoning was the reasoning. And we're going to have this event in December, but this is what to look for. That's what this one will be about, and then part 2 will be another unboxing with a little bit more of a showcase. Enough of an introduction. All right, let's see what we have in the first Kmart case. All right, a lot of times if you get it, sometimes it's related to the letters, obviously, but other times it's just what you get. So we're going to see what's in here. Might be similar in both cases, but you know, once you open them, we'll just find out. Let's get this up here. You might find something different in the cases you find at either you order or in your Kmart case. All right, we start with, these are all models that you've seen except for the exclusive 71 Mustang Mach 1, VW Volkswagen Golf GTI, and then the Too Tough debuting those new off-road wheels. All right, here's our first Kmart exclusive. It is a classic 55 Nomad. These are going to be 2018 models, I believe, in this kind of cream color. Custom 72 Chevy Love. This is a recolor of the 2018 model is what I meant. I don't think there's anything that deciphers that, but these all these other models will be 2019 B case models. All right. Another exclusive is the Exotique in black. I don't know if what this is a recolor of because I'm so bad about identifying these kind of models, right? Identifying generics. All right, this is the Stingrod Treasure Hunt. So that is the B case Treasure Hunt. You can see the symbol up above the front wheel. So there's a regular Treasure Hunt here. I don't always get the regular Treasure Hunts. Okay, this is the exclusive I am most excited about. It is the Datsun Fairlady 2000 in the 1552 Deco. We have seen this one a lot. We saw it debut, what was it, in blue, and then it was a Target red edition, then in black, and now this is the 4th color in white with the disc wheels. That looks really cool. Maybe we'll put them all together in the showcase. Then the 64 Chevy Chevelle. This is in the Speed Blur, so it has the gray wheels. I don't know if all the Speed Blur have the gray wheels, but this one does. Another exclusive is the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect in red. I think we've seen it in blue and in yellow, I believe. You always know it's going to be an exclusive because there's 2 of them. So that just helps you understand that. And the Dodge van, Super Chrome's Dodge van. Sandivore, Track Ripper, and the Speed Box. I may, by the way, this Track Ripper, have you seen how cool this is? The deco on it. It's really, really well done. Also part of Speed Blur. Are the wheels gray? Yeah, they are. Oops. I don't, you know, like the Speed Blur 5-pack, that Datsun had gray wheels. All of them did. Okay. Gazella GT. Hover and Out. And then the 1990 Honda Civic. Really nice model. Ford Torino Talladega in red. 71 El Camino. And then the 57 Chevy with the disc wheels. 18 Camaro SS in blue, the Rip Rod in blue, and then the Land Rover Defender double cab. Okay, Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300. 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup. That is a B-Case debut, right? So is the Audi. I see that over there. And then the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR32. So this case has got a lot of good stuff in it if you haven't found them in stores. And then, okay, I think these two are both first to markets, right? The 87 Dodge D100, even though it's in the C case, it's considered first to market because this is the B case. Same with the 18 Camaro SS. That is a new model for 2019. And then with that cool rear part. And then the 65 Mustang 2x2 Fastback. So I think those are the first to markets. And then to finish this case off, Tricera Truck, El Viento, and then the 84 Audi Sport Quattro, which is a debut also in the 2019 B case. So there you go. Real simple unboxing. That is the ABD case. That is the other one I have. We'll see if it's exactly the same. In part 2, I'll also showcase the drag truck, and these models will open up a couple as well. All right, everybody. More to come. A lot more to come. Thanks. Bye.